In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company address in Hubspot. Whether you're setting up your Hubspot account for the first time or updating it to ensure your details are current, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. To begin, we'll need to head over to the Hubspot homepage, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Hubspot, or simply search for Hubspot if that's easier. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have this information ready, as you'll need it to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hubspot home interface. The next move is to navigate to the settings area. Look for the settings icon, often depicted as a gear, which should be visible in your main toolbar at the top of your Hubspot interface. Clicking on this will open the settings page. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's where you'll manage and update most of your account and company details. Once you're in the settings area, your focus should shift to finding the account defaults option. This is typically located in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on account defaults will lead you to a variety of options related to your account settings. It's essential to know that these settings apply to your entire account and impact how various details appear and function. Within the account defaults section, look for the company address option. This is where you'll be able to input or update your company's address information. It's crucial to enter your company address accurately, as this information can be used in CRM settings and other integrated applications within HubSpot. If there's already an address entered, but it's out of date or incorrect, make sure to adjust it accordingly. Once you have input the correct details, double check the information to ensure there are no typos or errors. After verifying, save your changes. HubSpot usually has a save button or similar feature at the bottom of the screen. Click on this to ensure your new address details are updated in the system. And just like that, you've successfully updated your company address in HubSpot. Congratulations, you now have all the knowledge needed to manage your company address in HubSpot effectively. Remember, keeping this information updated is vital for seamless communication and operations within your business tools. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other HubSpot tutorials for more handy tips and tricks.